welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. APS patients perceive their physical and cognitive function to be less than optimal, says a study. In a recent study conducted by University of Michigan Medicine, researchers found that many patients with antiphospholipid syndrome or APS perceive their physical and cognitive function to be less than optimal. Patients with APS have many self-reported symptoms that impact on different dimensions on their quality of life. However, they do not routinely receive opportunities to explain these impacts in a way that can be connected to APS. It is even rarer for these patient reports to be systematically studied on a large scale. More often, APS is studied from the perspective of the physician. Here, the authors used validated patient-reported outcome measures to ask how patients viewed their health in a systematic and consistent way. Study finds ketamine to increase brain noise. An international team of researchers found that ketamine, being an NMDA receptor inhibitor, increases the brain's background noise, causing higher entropy of incoming sensory signals and disrupting their transmission between the thalamus and the cortex. This finding may contribute to a better understanding of the causes of psychosis in schizophrenia. A drug called ketamine inhibits NMDA receptors involved in the transmission of excitatory signals in the brain. An imbalance of excitation and inhibition in the central nervous system can affect the accuracy of sensory perception. Similar changes in the functioning of NMDA receptors are currently believed to be one of the causes of perception disorders in schizophrenia. However, it's still unclear how exactly this process occurs in the brain regions involved. Dry eye disease alters how the eye's cornea heals itself after injury. People with a condition known as dry eye disease are more likely than those with healthy eyes to suffer injuries to their corneas. Studying mice, researchers at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have found that proteins made by stem cells that regenerate the cornea may be new targets for treating and preventing such injuries. Dry eye disease occurs when the eye can't provide adequate lubrication with natural tears. People with the common disorder use various types of drops to replace missing natural tears and keep the eyes lubricated. But when eyes are dry, the cornea is more susceptible to injury. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.